Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Dr. Marangis from DMAX Digital Channel. In today's video, I would like to show us or teach us on how to buy and sell coin inside Binance Exchange. So, without wasting time, let's get into the video. First of all, once you open your Binance account, you see it like this. What you have to do next is this. You come to this area where you see trades. You click on the trade. Once you click the trade, it will automatically take you to this environment. Once you enter this environment, you consider these things, two things: sell and buy. So which one do you want to do? If it is buying, it is automatically onto the buying. If it is selling, it is not in the selling. You are going to come to this area and click sell. You click a sell, automatically the button up and the button down automatically change. You understand? Once you click the buy, the button up is green, the button down is green too. So where am I going to check the coin I want to buy or I want to sell? Before you come to this environment of buying and selling, make sure that you fund your account based on the video I taught previously. Check the link below. There are the links for the tutorial videos I made on how to deposit USDT, how to withdraw USDT, how to buy it from P2P. All those videos I made it before. So check the link below the video and click so that you understand it better. If you are following me step by step, you have to understand that I think you already watched that video. So I am assuming you watch it, but let me do it for those that they don't even know it. Many people are asking me about the videos like this. That is why I will just take my time for them to serve them very good. For those that they want to enter my VIP channel, so let them talk to me privately or put it in the comment section. Let me see you in the comment. I will know how to handle your case. Very good. Let me continue. So now, before I continue, I will show us something we have to consider. Some of the people, they are calling me that Dr. Marangis, we already sent a buy coin based on the video that we see, then the coin is then dropped onto our spot wallet and they hold us there. They did not release the coins. So this is the problem. So once you want to buy a coin or you want to sell a coin, consider this area, please. This limit buying. Once you click it like this, there are so many options there. This is limit buying, it is company buying, this is market buying, it is what? This is a instant, this is blind market. You understand? This is stop limits, stop loss, and the trailing stop, and then the OCO, one cancel order, trailing stop, this is a timing, this is algo, and so on. So you understand, but I would like to explain these two alone, these two, only these ones, these limits and the markets. If you want to buy it instantly, please use these markets. Use markets. Once you come, click market. If you click market, consider one thing. So you come and insert or put the number of USDT you want to buy coin with. For example, this is my USDT that I have for this tutorial. I don't have enough USDT. I just make it as tutorial. You understand? So you're going to put the USDT manually. For example, I want to buy it for $10. I will write it like this. Then I'll come and click buy. You understand? So very good. Likewise, selling, the same process. You put it in markets, After you put it in markets, and then you put the number of the coins here that you want to sell, or the number of the USDT that you want to sell. You understand? For example, I want to sell, this is TRX, this is TRX USDT. This transaction we are doing inside the Binance or any exchanger or wallet, it is a conversion from one place to another, from one coin to another coin. I want to convert. If the TRS appreciates, I bought TRS, for example, now in the at this price. You understand? I bought it at this price, and then the price of TRX come and appreciates. For example, I buy it for $10, and I want it appreciates like $30. I want to sell it. For example, if I want to sell it all, I have to dial all the amount. I will drag here. Take notes. You drag it like this. You understand? But if you want to sell it and remove the profit and carry and take your you take the profits and leave the capital, you do it this way. For example, it appreciate $20 profit. You write $20 here, and then what? Come here and say sell. So that is it. I think this is okay for you people. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share it to family and friends for education. Thank you.